In today's video, we are going to show you how to submit your timesheet in Hubstaff. If you are working remotely or tracking hours for payroll, submitting your timesheet correctly is very important, so make sure you watch until the end. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and I want you to click this arrow. It will open the sidebar, and I want you to scroll down until you find the timesheets. Here, it'll give you two options. Number one is going to be the view and edit, but we are going to click the approvals. Now, this page shows all your timesheets based on your company's pay period settings. All I have to do is super simple. Review your timesheet before submitting, like correct pay period, all work hours are included, manual time or time off requests are approved. This helps avoid payment delays or payroll issues. Now, to submit your timesheet, all I have to do is click this button, and you will see a confirmation notification once your timesheet is submitted. It's super simple, right? Remember, you should submit your timesheet only after the pay period ends. If you submit early, you may not be able to submit more time until the period finishes. Okay? Now, if you are a client or a manager of that specific project, you have the ability to approve the specific timesheet that was submitted. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to submit timesheet in Hubstaff. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.